Hello, dear friends. Tell me, please, do you hear me? Write, please, in the chat. Hi, everyone, again. Write, please, into the chat. Do you hear me? If yes, write that yes, I hear you, I see you. And after that, I will understood that we can start. Okay. Yes, there will be information about New Zealand dollar. Friends, write, please. Do you hear me? Friends, write, please. Do you hear me? Okay, I see from my phone that there is everything is okay with video and with chat. Okay, okay, friends, let's start. For start, I will start from sharing my screen. Okay, as always, what for start our analysis, we will start from major currency pairs, and after that, you will be able to write which currency pairs or instrument you want me to analyze. Okay. Let's start to do it from Euro USD as always, because it is most of you really love Euro USD. Okay, for a start. As always, first what I do when I start analysis, I draw key levels, because only near key levels I can open entry with low predictable risk. About Euro USD, I wrote on TradingView already, and now I'm writing that Euro USD is in the range. Take a look on this range. What does it mean, the range? It's the price when it's move side, when price don't have one real direction. What does it mean it for you? When price in the range, that means big players accumulate position here. And at this moment for us, it's hard to say in what direction they accumulate a position. If be honest, after news which I heard about Euro, USD, I think that there could be powerful down move. At this moment, what I'm waiting for, if the price really will break down this range and daily candle will close under this key level 1.1268, there could be a powerful down move, even to this to 0 to 1.08, near like that. It is a long term. About short term, what we can do about short term. Here is good and nice key level from which price bounced. On next week, there could be such things like price. I think price can move down. One moment. I want to show you. At this moment, I want to show you scenarios which I will use on each pairs which I will show you here. Because as a trader, I don't trade every moment. I trade scenarios. On every currency pair, I write scenarios where I will open entry or where I will close entry. That's why sometimes I sit without any entry, and it is good. It is normal. About Euro USD, also if the price from Monday will start move up near this level 1.1395 could be sell entry. I will monitor this place. If there will be fake broke, there could be such down move. Once again, about Euro USD. At this moment, price in the range. It is hard to say about long term. Long term, we will be able to do if the price will break that range. For short term, if there will be pullback, open sell. Till the moment when the price will reach buy zone. if when the price will reach this buy zone, there could be a pullback. Write please into the chat, is it understandable what my opinion about Euro USD? Write please into the chat. Write push one into the chat if you understood it. Friends, please write. Okay, let's continue. Okay, let's continue. Next currency pair which we can analyze, it is British pound. It is British pound. About British pound, what we have now? Hmm, about British pound. I think that British pound can continue down move on next week. And really what we can do is from this sell zone, if the price will make such up move, from this sell zone to open sell till this level. It is only one scenario which I see at this moment on British pound. Also there could be a different scenario if the price will, will break up powerfully this level, for example, with such candle, with such powerful candle. After pullback, there also will be a buy signal. British pound, if be honest, at this moment don't look nice because its structure is very uh, if you see there are a lot of tails on British pound, market is still unconscious, and don't know what will be because the news about Brexit is around British pound. That's why British pound is not looks really nice. Really, what nice looks at this moment, it is gold. Let's do our analysis on gold. First, what I want to show you is two key places from which we can open entries on next week. For a start, about gold, as you see, there are a really powerful uptrend. Do you see how many month price it is from August, price moving up? This trend is still continue. That's why I think about buy mostly about on this currency, on this instrument. The best place, the best place to open entries on gold would be these two scenarios. These two scenarios will be the best for all of you. One moment. These two scenarios. One. First scenario, take a look, friends. About gold. First, what you will be able to do. First, really nice entry on gold will be when the price will break up this key level. I wrote about this key level, on this, on TradingView. I want to show you. I want to show you about that level. I wrote about this level here on TradingView, and here as price bounced from it. To be honest, I took here a good entry. Now, as you see, price bounced again from this level. Take a look how many H4 candles bounced from this level. There will be a really nice entry if the price first will break up this level, close above, and on pullback, there will be great entry. It is first scenario what we can use on gold. That would be the best place. This would be the best place to open entry, because here we will have low and predictable risk, for example 20 30 pips, but potential profit will be 200 300 pips. Also also there could be such situation if the price will make deep pullback here. Maybe that will be a really far better for all of us, because if the price will come here to this, the most powerful levels which I see on gold right now, as you see how the price bounced from it. And if the price will come here near 1 point, near 1298, will be entry with the lowest risk. Here will be entry, and here will be, maybe here will be stop loss 30 pips, but potential profit 300. And that will give all of us risk reward ratio 1 to 3, 1 to 8, and even 1 to 8. That's why, friends, about gold, once again, about gold, think about buy from 112.98 and 13.15 market, because daily trend is still bullish. There big chance in long term that gold will continue up move till this powerful level, till this sell zone. That's why better for all of you is to find entries on continue of this trend. I think gold is the best. Gold on next week will be the best to trade. Okay, okay. I want to check questions. Did you write to me any questions? Okay, okay. Yes, good, good to see it. Okay, okay. Friends, write me please. Is it understandable about gold? About my prediction on gold? Can we do? Can we analyze another chart? Write please. Yes, it is understandable. Or Yuri, do it again, please. I want to know. Yes, we will do Canadian dollar. About stop losses on gold. Stop losses always, you need to have always really low stop losses, but there will be entry if the price will break up that level or come back to 1298. Stop loss could be 30-40 pips, not more. If you would open entry really properly, there could be stop loss with 20 points. Like I want to show you, I want to show you, I want to show you one of my trades which I have done. Like here, when I did this entry on gold, there was only 20 pips stop loss. Such, you need to find really such entries. You need to find big stop losses, because only with low risk you can get 1 to 4, 1 to 5 risk reward ratio. Okay, what else, friends? Okay, what's the sell zone? About gold, there are no sell zone at this moment. About gold, there could be sell only in such cases. Really, downtrend could start only if the price will break down this 1298, will make a pullback. Only here, only that would be a place to open sell. At this moment, there is strong, powerful uptrend. Don't think about sell. Seriously, don't think about sell on a gold. I will do New Zealand dollar, I promise. Okay, okay. Let's do New Zealand dollar as we promised. Okay, Okay, what about New Zealand dollar? About New Zealand dollar. As we see, New Zealand dollar done this powerful down move. There are big chance that New Zealand dollar will continue the down move on next week. The best would be is to open sell on pullbacks because I don't see a really good level from which price can bounce at this moment. Really powerful level on New Zealand would be 0.665 580. Really, there a big chance that price could move down to that level. It's only 200 pips. What about buy? About buy, I don't see a structure, proper structure we can show that price can move up. That's why think about New Zealand only down. What else could happen? New Zealand down. Okay, okay. Also about Australian dollar. Let's start Australian dollar. As we know, Australian dollar down, broke down this key level and made here. Australian dollar made here bull trap. Here was a bull trap, and as you see here, price bounced from this level one time. It is really powerful level. Second time, and daily candle close under it. That's why I think that Australian dollar can continue down move also as New Zealand dollar on next week. Really good place to open sell entry would be near 0.7139. That would be nice place to open sell entry with low risk. Here could be stop loss like 25 city pips, and goal, always set goal in 3-4 times bigger. That's all, and that's enough. Because as you see, this bull trap get enough volume from a lot of traders, and price move powerfully down. That's why I think it will continue down move. Once more, New Zealand and Australian dollar, there's a big chance that it will continue down move. About Canadian dollar. About Canadian dollar, once more. As you see, price broke up this key level from which price bounced so many times. There a big chance that Canadian dollar can make down move, can hit this level and continue up move. If the price will hit this level, that would be a good place to open buy entry with stop loss like 35, 36 pips, and with potential goal in 4 time bigger. About Canadian dollar once more. As you see this absorption on weekly chart, it shows that price really can move up even to 1.3565. There is a big chance of such pullback. But we cannot open buy from this place because stop loss here would be 100 pips. The best will be to open buy here because as you see here, stop loss would be far lower. Okay, right, please, friends. Nice, nice understand, teacher. Okay, friends, write please about Canadian dollar. Is it understandable to you? Write one if it is understandable about Canadian dollar. Write UK UC one if it is understandable about. Okay, very clear. Great. About stop losses, how do you determine your stop losses? I always use low stop losses. I teach it on my personal courses how I do it. There are two types how to determine stop loss. It's just to set it above or under key levels. That's all. It's really easy. And a second way how to determine proper stop loss is to using ATR. You need to know that in average all instruments on instrument you need to understand that all instruments in trading have average daily move ATR. What is ATR? It's for example, here on Euro USD. Take a look on every this daily candle, and in average it is 47 pips, 38 pips, 36 pips. Here's 80 pips. In average here is nearly 50 pips. And when you know that price moves in average 50 pips per day, your stop loss must be really lower. For example, 10 pips, because there is no chance to take 1 to 3 risk reward ratio if your stop loss is the same as average daily move, especially if you are intraday trader. Okay, I want to quit Telegram because a lot of people. Okay, what is a good broker? About good broker. Here is really good broker. Really good broker. I checked it. I tried there a lot. Also, I used robots there. Okay. Yes. Good. Good friends. Let's continue. About Canadian, Australian, and New Zealand. Euro done. Okay. British pound done. Okay. And about Japan's yen. Okay. Friends, about Japan's yen, as we see, price price has up move, uptrend from this from this place. There was a lot of energy. There a lot of energy moved price from this level. At this moment, I think uptrend can continue. I still think that uptrend can continue, and Japan's yen can move up even to this level. Once more, I want to try to do it on TradingView because there are a lot of stuff, and I can make pictures here. Okay, take a look. Okay, about Japan's yen. Once more about Japan's yen, as you see, the middle term uptrend, and as you see, price bounced from this key level. There was a bearish trap. I still think that the price can continue up move. At this moment, as you see, price is in the middle range. Here is range. What do I think about Japan's yen now? I think that price from this level, near this level, can start up move, can continue up move, and goal on Japan's yen is what goal on Japan yen? Real goal goals. These two key levels: 110.28, 111.36. Yes. And if you will open entry from this level, you will have low predictable risk and potential profit in 4 or 5 times bigger. About sell, it is hard to open sell entries in this moment because we have a middle term uptrend. Also, mostly when price do such bull traps, such like this, mostly after that trends continue. I really love to trade, especially after such traps, because big players accumulate enough volume, and after such accumulation, they are able to move the price into their direction, into place where they want to move it. That's why I love to trade after such place. Okay, okay, friends. About Japanese yen, I would open buy near 108.58, near this level. Okay. As a trader, you don't need to analyze a lot. You need to write your scenarios and just wait when the price will hit it. Okay, friends. Okay, friends. About major currency pairs, it's done. Write, please. What are the instruments you would like me to analyze? Write, please. Muhammad, you need to analyze. You need to understand that price moves in some direction because someone sell it or buy it. Yes, news impact on it, but the most important things is volume, big players behavior, because when big players have interest to move some currency down, they sell it, and it doesn't matter what news around, because guys like JP Morgan or someone like that, they know all news which will be, they know all news. Sometimes they create news. That's why uh, think carefully about news, because I watched on news more than 1 year and I saw how many times when news was really great and price moved down. The best, Alexander, the best will be gold on next week. At this moment, gold looks really the best. About share here, about education. I do education face to face education. If you are interested in education, write please. Here is here is contacts, just write and we can discuss about my face-to-face education. I can teach you how to analyze properly charts and how to build your system. Okay, let's start. Let's do oil. I see oil, Japan, British pound, Japanese yen, Japanese yen, euro chief. Okay, 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 understood. Let's do oil. Okay, let's start from oil. Let's do oil. One moment. Okay, friends, let's start from oil. Once more, what I want to show to you about oil, because I really love to trade oil. At this moment, if you see oil in this range, in such range, upward range, I don't like to trade upward range. I trade mostly key levels because near key levels I can set low and predictable stop loss. I think that oil has a chance to continue this triangle, this channel. What would be good entry for you is to open near border of this range entry and with goal next border. It's like one moment. It's like this, near city 2 open entry with goal city 6. Sell, there would be a sell signal only if the price will break down this range, and after that only will be a sell signal. At this moment there are only buy signal because the price near lower border of this range. I also, you need to see that we have, if we would like to watch this we have a middle term trend from this point up. Yes, there a long term trend down, but middle term trend is up. At this moment, it is good to open buy entries from this border. About sell, and oil. Oil really near powerful level 50, and I still think that price, even if will drop down, can bounce it from this level up. That's why I think about oil up. Once more, dear friends. Okay, okay, write me please. Is it understandable about oil? Islam. Sometimes there could be, yes, yes, you know that there are a correlation between gold and Canadian dollar. But you need to understand that sometimes all instruments could move in different ways. It is possible. Everything in trading is possible. Okay, let's continue. Okay, friends, let's continue. Okay, most of you also write about something else. Also, I want to show you some indexes which are really interesting about gem index. It is a second really interesting idea on next week for me, because here is, as you see, a really powerful. Let's check it here. Let's check it here. Oh, one moment. Okay, also here about also about here about DEX. I want to show you DEX, friends. About DEX, it is a second interested instrument for me on next week to trade, because first, as you see here, why it doesn't work. Okay, because as you see, price bounced from this level so many times here, here, and here, and daily candle close under. I think near this level could be a good sell entry. Also, there was a lot of bad news about German economy, that German is going into a recession. That's why it is a really great place to open sell entry with potential profit till this low. Okay, what else? What else about indexes? About American indexes, I still think that the price can hit. I still think that you American index S&P 500 can hit this sell zone, from which could start a really powerful down move. Because as you see, here was one key level and range. Price moved up. And now I think if the price will come back here again, there will be a good buy entry. And here would be a really good sell entry. About other indexes, there is no good entries, um, ex- exception only Australian index, because as you see here is a powerful mirror level from which price bounced several times. First time when price will come to this level, there could be a nice bounce from this level. Near this level could be a good buy entry. Okay, and some of you also wrote about euro, about euro GBP, about euro GBP. As you see, euro GBP here is a really nice level from which the price bounced several times. Take a look on this. Take a look on this level, how many candles bounced from this level. Also take a look here, how many candles, and here. It is a powerful level, powerful level. And at this moment, price under this level. That's why I think that there will be continue of down move. If you don't have open entries near this level, you can open sell with low risk to continue this down move. Okay, about British pound and Japan's yen. Whoa, friends, I don't like such structure because there is no structure. Mhm. I don't like to analyze such entries because there is no structure. It's hard to say. I don't like to analyze such instruments where there is no really good levels which we can build on this chart. Here only one good level, and where other is here. Price is still in this range, and I think near this level could be a good buy entry. And it's hard to say about euro Japanese yen because price don't show really good levels. I trade mostly at levels, and at this moment it's hard to say. If you will look on entry, a really good entry could be really here 123.76. Near that level could be only a good entry at this moment. Good buy or sell entry. Okay, okay, what else? Okay, okay, I want to check. Okay, I bought NZD. Can I exit in losses and hold for a pullback? Dear friend, when you open some entry and you hold stop loss position, the best will be is to close because okay, okay, once more I want to show my face. Okay, about questions. Once more, I bought NZD. Can I exit or in loser or I hold for a pullback? You always need to remember that the best always will be to close position even with low risk, because when you have risk and you hold it, that means what does it mean it for you? That you have some expectation and you cannot trade other good ideas because you hold negative position. Always will be the best to close stop loss and wait for another good entry. It's like you have an army and you see that your army are losing, and what you do a pullback to get back your army and make a new attack. The same in trading. That's why you need to use proper risk management. You need to use proper entry points. Why I just showed to you on each currency pair key levels? Because it is my strategy. According to this strategy, I can open entries with low risk, predictable, and good potential profit. The same must you to do, because when you have big risk, when you hold really big losses, you can lose a lot of money. I know what how you feel when you hold negative position, how you pray, how you hope, but it will not bring you happiness or money in the future. You need to trade with proper losses. Okay, I lost in oil on Thursday due to the news OPEC. Okay, have you covered gold market outlook for coming week? Yes, I recorded gold about next week. There are two scenarios which I will use. Have you? Do you think I will go? Do you think I will goes up this week? What do you, Nabil? What do you mean by do you think I will goes up this week? Um, Need to recover the loss. Start trading properly. What would be your stop loss? Where? Will I see this video? Are you going to upload it here on YouTube after because I saw it too late? Yes, I'll do it. Okay, friends, write me please. What other instrument would you like to see here to analyze? Because I have 5 more minutes and I can do it for you. Also, for every one of you, I want to tell that I have private courses where I work face to face and I teach people how to build proper system, how to properly to find entry points on the chart and exit points, how to calculate risk management, how to build step-by-step plan. If you are interested in education, write to me privately. I want to send to you my contacts. It is my contacts. I want to send it to you. One moment. Here is my contacts. If you are interested in my face-to-face education with proper strategy, just write to me right now. First consultation is free. When we can analyze your statistic, when we can just do first lesson for free right now. Okay, what else? Which indicator is good for beginner? No indicators is good for beginners because you need to understood the market foundation. Market foundation, it is big players in their behaviors and their interaction between them. No one indicator can show their logic, can show their interest. You need to learn the chart. You need to learn how they accumulate position. Where is the best points for big players to move the price in some direction? Which levels will they protect? Only such things as beginner you need to learn. After that, what you need to do as beginner is to build your own system which will be based on big players behavior, because only such system will work on different markets like currency pairs, indexes, stock, something like that. Because as you see, I analyze currency pairs, gold, oil, indexes. It doesn't matter because my system built on big players logic. As a beginner, think only about this. Okay, guys, don't use any indicators. Okay, Litecoin. Okay, will I see this video? Are you doing to upload? Yes, I do. Trade line, catch shift, Litecoin, which indicate? Okay, about you set stop loss to put below the key level, but price hits stop loss and go to positive direction. What to do? Uh, Akshan Islam. Mostly I trade fake broke after I opened entries after when price made fake broke when it hit stop losses of other players, and after that I open entry mostly. Okay, okay, friends. Okay, friends. Litecoin, please write one. Write everyone. Does everyone want to see Litecoin more? DAX, Euro USD, Euro USD done. Euro British Pound done. Okay, friends. Thank you. Thanks everyone of you for attending this webinar. Write please in the comment what you think about this webinar. I'll upload it on YouTube. Also, what I would like to tell to you guys, if you are want to become really good trader, you need to study. You need to study properly, and I can help you at this moment because I work face to face with my students. If you're still interested in, don't hurry, don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. There are my Telegram WhatsApp number right now, and I'll do a free consultation. Okay, friends, have a great time. Have a great weekends. Bye. Bye. Bye, guys.